Listen students, next going to see second sum. Simplify the following using multiplication and division properties of surds. So that first subdivision, root 3 into root 5 into root 2 is given. We want to find solution. Take that solution. First one, root 3 into root 5 into root 2 equal to. You see that. So all the one surds under same order. Here is the second degree of root 3, second degree of root 5. Next one, so second degree of root 2. That's a square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 2. All the ones are roots are same. Therefore, we can take overall common root. Therefore, overall common root 3 into 5 into 2. So therefore, 3 into 5, 15. 15 into 2. Next one, root 15 into 2, 30. Therefore, this is the required solution. Next, second one, see that. Second one, what is that given? See that question. Root 35 divided by root 7. So this now write root 35 by root 7. Now we know already one property. Root a by root b we can write overall root a by b. Therefore this we can write 35 by 7. So overall root, take it, overall common root. Now 1 times of 7, 5 times of 7 is the 35. Therefore we can write root 5. So this is the required solution. So next third one, see that cube root of 27 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 125 is given. Now first half take simplify. Cube root of 27 we can write cube root of 27 we can write 3 cube. Here therefore here cube root and 3 cancel, we get 3 only. Next cube root of 8 we can write cube root of 8 we can write 2 cube. Therefore cube root and this 3 cancel, we get 2. Next one, see that cube root of 125 we can write cube root of 125 we can write 5 cube. 5 multiply itself 3 times, we get 125. Therefore cube root and this 3 cancel, we get 5. So take substitute the values. Cube root of 27 into cube root of 8 into cube root of 125 equal to cube root of 27 we can write 3 into cube root of 8 we can write 2, cube root of 125 we can write 5. So now next see that 3 2s are 6, 6 into 5, 6 5s are 30. Therefore this is the required solution. Next see that fourth subdivision, 7 into root a minus 5 into root b, 7 into root a plus 5 into root b. This is one question. Here see that very simple concept applying. Already we know that one formula, a minus b into a plus b we can write a square minus b square. Here a consider 7 into root a, b consider 5 into root b. So take substitute. A minus b into a plus b can write a square minus b square. A value is the a 7 root a, b value is the 5 root b. Take substitute. See that 7 into root a minus 5 into root b, 7 into root a plus 5 into root b equal to a square. A value is the 7 into root a whole square minus b square. B value is the 5 into root b whole square. Now see that Square is common for a 7 and root a. Take square, then 7 square into root a whole square minus 5 square root b square. See that 7 square we get 49. Here this square root and square cancel, we get a minus 5 square we get 25. This square root and square cancel, we get a b. Therefore the required answer 49a minus 25b. Hence the solution over. Next see fourth one. Root 225 by 729 minus root 25 by 144 whole divided by root 16 by 81. Now take very simple. Root 225 by 729 is gonna take separately root 225 by root 729 minus here also root 25 by root 144 here divided by root 16 by root 18. Next one, see that root 225, find it answer. First of root 225 we get, find the answer. So therefore root 225 we can write 15. Next root 729 we can write 27. Next one root 25. See that root 25 value is the 5. Next root 144 we get a 12. Next root 16 we get 4. Next root 81 we get 9. So these are values, take substitute. These are values you know already. Now take substitute. Here we have, see that equal to root 225. Root 225 means is the 15 divided by, next one what is that? You see that root 729. Root 729 value what is that? 27. So 27 minus, next one what is that here? Root 25 by root 144. Root 25 means 5. 144 means 12. Whole dividing. Root 16 by root 81. Root 16 value is the 4. Root 81 value is 9. Now see that. Now cancel. Here what is the third table is common. 5 3s are 15. 9 3s are 27. 5 by 9 minus 5 by 12 whole divided by 4 by 9. Next see that here 9, here 12. So denominators are different. Therefore take it LCM. LCM of 9 comma 12. So 9, 12 take it LCM. We get third table. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So therefore 3 into 3 into 4. So 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 only LCM. So in each fraction denominator want to equate 36. Therefore I am multiplying 5 by 9 in 4 by 4 multiplying minus 5 by 12 into, now I am multiplying 3 by 3 divided by 4 by 9. Next step see that 5 4s are 20. 20 by 9 4s are 36 minus 5 3s are 15 divided by 12 3s are 36 divided by 4 by 9. Next denominators are same, 36. Numerator adding 20 minus 15 whole divided by 4 by 9. Next see that 20 minus 15 we get a 5. 5 by 36 divided by 4 by 9. Here 5 by 36, here taking reciprocal, then get multiplication. Reciprocal taking multiplication, therefore 9 by 4. Now cancel. 1 times of 9, 4 9s are 36. Therefore we get 5 by 4 into 1 by 4. Next we get final solution 5 by 4 4s are 16. So therefore this is the required solution.